So last week we had a really good time in the forex market, and I really have to make this video to document everything that happened last week, and I'll be showing you all the trades that we took last week and the result from those trades as well. So every trade that we took from last week were trades that we call out in the blue VIP forex trade signal service group, right? So we simply copy and paste this trade and we generate all this result as easy as ABC. So very simple and easy to do. So I'm going to walk you through most of all the trades that we took last week and also show you how we were able to generate this result with other students, other traders in the blue VIP forex signal group who are also making money from these same trades that we call out. So let's quickly get started with it. So with our blue VIP premium service, what we do is we simply look at trades on pound USD and euro AUD, and we position traders in the private group to simply be able to capitalize on these trades. So I'll quickly run you through most of the trades that we took in the past week that gave us over 90% win rate for the week. As I've showed you earlier, I was able to pull out about 1,000 USD and also made some withdrawals after the week. So I will quickly run you through this service and how we were able to position people to make money from this service. So this group right here, this is our public Telegram group where you can also find information on everything that we do through the trading week. So we post results from our trading group, from the private group right in this very group. So you are able to find all of these results on EA and pound USD trade calls that we make in our private Blue Vision VIP group. So you can see all of these trades. These are trades from the week. Also euro AUD, we had sales, and all these trades were trades that were called in the blue VIP private group. So you would find a lot of other results in this page as well, where we have people making money from these easy and simple trades. So you can see all of these are pound USD and euro AUD. Pound USD and euro AUD, we have a lot of people making money as simple as ABC by simply copying the same trades that we make in the private group. You can see this is one of the students, one of the traders in the blue VIP who was able to make about 300 USD for the day. That was 6th of February. 6th of February. So these are all the trade calls we made in the blue VIP private group. So we have this service going on and we have a lot of people making money from this service. So we post all of these updates in the public Telegram so people are able to see what we work on for the week. You can see all of these are trades from the blue VIP: pound USD, euro AUD, pound USD, euro AUD. So this is EA where we're looking for buys, and the good thing about this is when we call this trade, they appear in this. So we are able to indicate the stop loss right here and the take profit right here. So it is very easy to understand this trade with the risk management system and the risk to reward system we have on them. You can see the trade played out perfectly. We have this trade for about 100 pips, which played out perfectly. So the same trade was right here. This was before, this was after. So you can see a lot of results from this page, a lot of them. So last week we began from the blue VIP private group, which is right here. This is a paid signal service group which we call out forex trading moves, and then we really make a lot of money from these trades, this premium calls that we make in this private group. So last year on the 6th of February, where we're looking at buys on EA. Once again, EA on the M30 time frame, we're looking at buys. We had our stop loss right here for about 34 pips. So TP was all the way up here for about 65 to 70 pips right here. So we're looking to buy getting this trade right here. We had a very good risk to reward. So let's see what we got on that very move on the EA, the M30 trade, I believe. So let's get on the M30 and look for that trade right now. So this is the trade right here. This was the trade from the M30, right from this low. We're looking for longs from this very level here. Yes, somewhere around here, we're looking for these old longs that happened over here. So we call this move and we're looking for this old long to play out. So price gave us a very, very good move in this case, and price actually played out. The trade played out. So let's look at the messages that came with this move. So from that trade right there, from that EA buy that we're looking at, you can see we have people making money from this trade. This is one of the traders in the VIP group, which is also making money from that very trade. You can see our price was pushing up, price was going straight into profit, and people were making money from this trade. You can see people were making money from this trade. So let's go on and see what we have. These are people making money from the same EA trade that was called, right? So right after that, let's go back to the second trade. After that, you can see this one played out. It played out completely. You can see price came all the way to our TP, which is all the way up here. And now from what we have over here, you can see price came from this low, continued all the way bullish to this high. So this, in this case, our TP all the way up here was tested, and this full move right here is about 70 pips, right? Provided price came all the way up here. So we had entry from this low and price came. This was our TP right here for about 70 pips, but you can see price continued all the way bullish to give us about 100 pips full move right there. So we had a lot of profit from that very move. And the next one after this EA, we also looked at pound USD. Pound USD, we're looking for sell from that very place, and let's see how this also played out. So you can see we're looking for sell at the time. Pound USD on the H4 time frame, we're looking for short. So let's see how that also played out. So this is pound USD. You can see in profit with a standard lot right there in profit. I was in profit. So here also you can see pound USD was in profit, making money from that very move, from that very call on pound USD. So let's continue. We have other people here also making money from the same trade call, right? From the same trade call. So right after that, we have the EA trade from this place right here. You can see price played out completely, and you can see we have the before and the after right there. So the before is right here. This is the trade call before, and the after of that, the aftermath of that is right here, which played out fully. You can see. So we continue from that. Pound USD played out. So we have people making money from the pound USD trade. You can see right there, and we continue all the way. And we later called a trade on EA for sell once again. So EA, this very EA here, we're looking for short, and on this short we had our first TP right here, we had a second TP right here. So let's see what happened based on that. So the EA, this is the very trade right here. Okay, we're looking for short. You can see the very trade right here, we're looking for short. First TP right here, second TP right here, and in this case you can see how price came all the way to the first TP already. So first TP in this case, we had about 70 pips. From this level to this low here, we had about 70 pips. We had about 70 pips right there, and TP2 is all the way down here for about 120 pips. So price came from this high, came all the way to this low, and gave us about 70 pips. So this played out beautifully, and we had a lot of people make money from that very trade. So you can see here we have the same move, and we have a lot of people who also made money from that trade. This is EA, see in profit. This is EA, you can see in profit. You can see other people here also making profit from that very EA trade. You can see this also in profit. You can see this also in profit. So these are a lot of other people making money from the same trade. You can see people are actually withdrawing from these services, right? Withdrawing, making money, and placing withdrawals from these calls that we make and these trades that we take. So people actually make money from this trade. And the E here, we have the before and the after right here. The before over here, you can see EA short, we're looking for sell. First TP 70 pips, second TP about 100 pips, and the aftermath of that is right here. You can see price played out beautifully. So TP1 was tested already, 70 pips. That was on Friday. This played out perfectly, and a lot of people made money from that. So I have also been posting all this journey in our public Telegram channel, the Blue Vision public channel. I post all of these results and progress in this channel, so you definitely find all of these right in this Telegram group and in real time. So here you can see this is the before right here, and this is the after right there. So people actually made good money from that very trade. So when you go through this public Telegram, you would find all of this as well in the public Telegram. A lot of people making good money from this service, right? So this is a simple copy and paste trading system that we have been able to develop, and simply make these premium trade calls, and people place these trades and they really make good money by doing the same thing. So this is all these are results from the past week, right? Just the within February 4th to February I think 8th. So very simple, very profitable week, I must say. Very profitable week, I must say. A lot of results from this service, So if you are yet to check out this Blue Vision VIP trade call service, you need to look at it right away, because you could easily take advantage of these calls to generate good income for yourself, even as you learn and become better at understanding everything that goes on as far as forex trading is concerned. So that is really everything on this quick update. I hope you really find value in this update, and be sure to check out the links in the video description to sign up for this service. And if you have any question, be sure to reach out to me on Telegram as well to